Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to change door swing. So for example, I will create wall, and the next you can insert door object, click this icon, and I will insert in here. Now if you want to change these door swings, you can use the selection tools. Select the door object, right click, and then you can choose reflect about object. You can click in center of door to change the door swing. You also can change for the door angles by clicking at these icons, click hold, and you can change for the angles. And to change again door swings, you can right click, go to reflect about objects, and then click in this point. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to change door swing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.